Now back to more Sam's Garage. Sam's going to show us how easy it is to add more horsepower and torque to your truck with the MyCalibrator Tuner from Livernois Motorsports. The kit comes with everything you need to get up and running in just a few minutes.
You know, anytime we can make horsepower by pushing buttons, it's always going to put a smile on your face. But with the diesel application, you make so much more torque that it puts a bigger smile on your face. The guys at Livernois Motorsports Engineering, they're like me, gearheads who've been coming up through the ranks by racing, trial and error, building cars, and they really know what works and doesn't work. Now, they have a MyCalibrator tuner just like you see here in a 2011 to current Ford F-250 350 application with a 6.7 liter diesel. These guys are producing 60 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque. Those are real numbers that's proven on the dyno and on the streets in the real world. Now, this calibrator tuner is also going to give you better throttle response. It's going to be a lot safer when you're towing, and it's going to improve the transmission shifting points. Now, these guys don't get overzealous on their tuning. They're going to make you a nice, safe tune that's going to get you what you want. For instance, if you want a custom application, you want something turned off, you don't have emissions in your state, whatever, they can calibrate their tuner to customize to your application. And that's what makes these guys so much more powerful than the other guys. Now, what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and hook it up to the car, download the file from the computer. Then we're going to go to Livernois Motorsports website and grab their email. We're going to attach the file from the MyCalibrator, download it by installing the software on their website onto my computer. Then once the file is downloaded onto the computer, I can email it to them. They're going to do their modifications. They're going to tune the program. They're going to send it back to you. You're going to take that file, program it back onto your MyCalibrator, and then upload it to the truck. This may take 48 hours to do so, but it's worth the wait because that tune is going to be custom tailored to your application, and that is awesome. All right, now in the box, you're going to get the tuner itself, which is very easy to use. Just follow the instructions. And you're going to get two cables, one for the diagnostic port and one for your computer. Now we're going to very simply install or plug in the diagnostic port right there. Plug into the MyCalibrator. Turn the key to the on position and just follow the instructions. Now, the good thing is that MyCalibrator isn't just a tuning device. It'll actually diagnose and tell you engine codes. You can clear engine codes. You can data log when you're driving down the road if there's a problem, or Livernois may ask you to data log so that they can see what's going on and do any fine adjustments, and they'll ask you for that file. That's a nice feature right there. Also, it comes with a suction cup for your windshield so that you can put the MyCalibrator permanently install it, run the wire down, and you have a display for your gauges. Very nice feature. Now, don't forget, if you guys feel as if your batteries are weak, you might want to put a charger on the system while you're doing the MyCalibrator tuning because you don't want the voltage to drop, causing a problem with the flashing process.